All right, now we're covering how to do reverse ASINs, which are one of the most powerful things. So you, in your listing, you have your title, your description, and your bullets, but you also have back-end keywords. And that is what's hidden normally, but you can use software to figure out what people are using in their back-end keywords. So what we're gonna do here is, we just looked up dog costume. I'll just take one randomly, and okay, we'll take this shark one, for example. And an ASIN is up here. It's this right here. It always starts with a B, and it's in that format. So we take that, and we go over to Helium 10. If you guys sign up, you can use this tool for free. You can only use it twice a day for free. And they have a whole great suite. If you do end up being a paid member, I have a link in the materials, and you can get a discount. You could help me out. You know, things could be awesome, but you don't need to. I'm teaching you guys how to do it for free if you're a hustler, and then I'll teach you how to do it faster and more efficient if you have more money and time. So you gotta, you know, it's your own decision. I'm not pushing anything on anybody, but this is what I do. So I prefer to use the tool. It's called Cerebro. I get 10 uses a day because I'm a paid member. Free users get 2 uses per day. So what you can do right here is the product ASIN. So we took the shark. So we just take this data, and the product ASIN is there, and we just do a reverse search, and it does some awesome stuff. Okay, in the meantime, while it does that, let's grab another one. Grab this Pope dog. ASIN's right there. Copy and paste that. Okay, so what's nice, what we've got here, let's check it out. We have this exact phrase volume and broad phrase volume. So if you're not familiar with pay-per-click, what those are is their terms. So what exact phrase search volume means is the exact amount of people that have typed in exactly that. Okay, the numbers might not be completely right, but that exact phrase. So Santa suit. When we say 18,255 right there, exact phrase search volumes, that means that many people have typed in Santa suit, and Santa suit only. Santa suit or big Santa suit would not count. Big Santa suit would count under broad phrase, because broad is before or after. There can be other words, and just in the middle you have whatever that phrase is. So the Santa suit phrase, so big Santa suit would be a broad match of that. And then, yeah, so that's the way that works. And this is nice because, so this is showing the back-end keywords that they are ranking for. And we get to see now where the search volume is. So we have a better way of evaluating these listings and which keywords we want to prioritize. So what you want to do then is you want to download this data. Okay, so we would download that. And then what you do is you would export it to Frankenstein. So we export it to Frankenstein, which is another tool by Helium 10. And what they do is they take look how many words we have right there. This is a jungle mess. So it's just going to get rid of all the duplicates. Awesome. So now let's do the other reverse ASIN search. We take this doggy. Let's look this one up. Sure, we'll load this from history. Oh yeah, I already did this a little bit ago. All right, so we would download this, sort it. Let's put it into Frankenstein. Okay, so there were 8,492 words there, 833. Okay, so we want to put all of these together. If you look at how many, just take a minute to look at this though. Look how there are 833 words on this one compared to this. So like, look, this one, this is still not even a good listing. You should have way better listing than this, but this one is just a bare minimum, and it's on page 1. I mean, I guess people aren't buying dog costumes year round. So we only did 2 reverse ASINs in this for an example, but I would suggest doing your top competitors, even that full front page. Do 10 of them. You're only going to get more data, and it's not going to hurt you. It's going to take your time, but I would rather get, there could be a gem in there that could be a sale a day. That's 365 sales a year, $10 a year, 3,600, $500. That's good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move over to a video talking about how we're going to organize and go through all of this data now so that we can start processing and making a listing and taking action.